Hello dear students, in this video I am going to discuss about optical circuit switched networks. In circuit switched networks, a connection is established using available network resources for the full duration of the transmission of message. Once the complete message is successfully transmitted, then the connection is removed. A circuit switched environment requires that an end-to-end circuit be set up before the actual transmission can take place. A fixed share of network resources is then reserved for the specific transmission which no other transmission can use. A request signal must, however, travel from the source to the destination, and it should also be acknowledged before the transmission begins. The figure shows an optical circuit switch network. 6 optical nodes A to F are interconnected, and a request logical connection or path for optical signal wavelength lambda 1 is established, producing a circuit path through network nodes A, B, D and F. Optical nodes of an optical circuit switched network contain optical switches where large multiport optical switches or an OXC are used to establish connections between the desired input and output ports. Although different component enabling technologies can be used to construct such optical switches. The wavelength continuity constraint also limits the flexibility of optical circuit switched networks, as light paths using the same wavelength can only carry the traffic from the source to the destination. This constraint can be overcome if the wavelength conversion function is used at the output ports of the optical nodes to change the wavelength of the signal as required. Optical circuit switched networks are suitable for implementation in public telecommunications networks, where a large volume of traffic is required to be switched in real time. A disadvantage of optical circuit switched is that it cannot efficiently handle burst traffic. In such traffic conditions, the data is sent in optical bursts of different lengths, and therefore the resources cannot be readily assigned. For example, an active user needs a large bandwidth when sending a burst as compared with relatively little bandwidth for a non-active user. Thank you.